Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you something interesting I found this week. I will use three programming languages. It's a Python, Java and one absolutely ridiculous one created by Urban Müller, whose goal was create language with the smallest compiler ever. What we're gonna do? As usual, the simplest thing, just print out hello world to our console. Let's start with the Python file. Here's what's inside of our file, and you can see it's pretty human readable. Let's run it. Yeah, here it is, our output. Great. Let's move to the Java file. Here's what's inside. You can see it's a bit more sophisticated, but still everyone can understand what's going on here. Let's run. And as you know, Java is compiled language, which means we have, before run this file, we have to compile it. Let's do that. Yeah, our new compiled file appeared. Let's run it. Great. Here's our output in the console, and let's move to our most interesting file. Here it is. Yeah, here it is. It's a Brainfuck language, and you can see it's absolutely not readable by humans. An interesting fact that this language has only 8 symbols. Let's run it. Yeah, great. You can see our output here. And what's interesting, theoretically, this language can solve same problem as Python, Java, or any other language, but obviously you wouldn't want to write any application on it. So here is a file with compiler size comparisons, and you can see how incredible tiny and small Brainfuck compiler. Yeah, that's it, what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, hope you like this video, and happy coding!